इसमें ये एक छोटा सा वीडियो बन रहा है। हम लोग ये 10 मिनट के अंदर या 5 मिनट के अंदर पूरा क्लब इन रिवाइंड करने वाले हैं। ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने तुम्हारी बैन कर दी है क्योंकि तुम लोग अभी तक आईफॉस की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं देखो। हम लोग क्लब इन की एक छोटा सा रिकैप कर रहे हैं। व्हाट वी डिड एज पर सेक्शन 60। वैसे क्लब इन होता क्या, छोटा सा इंट्रो वापस से लो। क्लब इन में ये होता है कि मेरी इनकम मेरे हाथ में टैक्स नहीं होके किसी और के हाथ में क्लब हो जाए, या ऐसे बोलो किसी और की इनकम उसके हाथ में टैक्स नहीं होके मेरे हाथ में टैक्स हो जाए, इसको बोलते हैं क्लब इन। इनकम टैक्स में सेक्शन 60 से लेके 65 तक इसके प्रोविजंस है। सेक्शन 60 में बोला हुआ है, इफ अ पर्सन ट्रांसफर्स हिज इनकम without transferring income generating asset, then income shall be clubbed in the hands of transferor. Section 61, if a person transfers his property to another person under a revocable clause, then income from the property shall be clubbed in the hands of transferor, where the revocable clause means where a person transfers his property to another but keeps directly or indirectly any right over the property or part of the property, any right over the income or part of the income, then it is called revocable transfer. However, if a person transfers the property for the lifetime benefit of the transferee, then income will be clubbed, then there will be no clubbing. 64(1)(2). An individual has a substantial interest in a concern and his spouse derives remuneration from the concern without technical or professional qualification. In such case, the remuneration shall be clubbed in the hands of individual. Where both husband and wife are having substantial interest in the concern and both are deriving remuneration from the concern without technical or professional qualification, then income shall be clubbed in hands of either of the person whose other income is higher, but once the income is so clubbed, it shall continue to be assessed as such unless AO decides otherwise. Number next, if an individual, section 64(1)(4), if an individual transfers his property to his spouse other than house property without adequate consideration, then income from the property so transferred shall be clubbed in the hands of transferor. One, income on income need not to be clubbed, capital gain need not to be clubbed, स्त्री धन या household saving या pin money से acquire की हुई income not to be clubbed. If the money has been applied in a business, then business income shall be clubbed. If the money has been applied in a partnership firm, then interest on capital shall be clubbed, but remuneration to partners shall not be clubbed. Share of profit तो exempt होता है. Next, if the money has been applied, property so transferred, money has been applied in a running business, then proportionate income shall be clubbed as under number 1 PGBP into money so transferred treated as capital at beginning of the year divided by total capital at beginning of the year. 64(1), 6, 7, 8 में ये दिया हुआ है, if the person transfers his property to son's wife, then income from the property shall be clubbed in the hands of transferor, provided the relationship subsists as on date of transfer as well as on date of accrual of income. Even the property has been indirectly transferred to spouse, even the property has been indirectly transferred to son's wife, income shall continue to be clubbed. Cross transfer में income will be clubbed. 64(1)(a), minus income shall be clubbed in the hands of either of the parents whose income is higher, but once the income is so clubbed, it shall continue to be assessed as such unless AO decides otherwise. Next, if the minor has earned the income through his skill or effort, then there will be no clubbing. If the minor is handicapped, there will be no clubbing. If the minor's parents are not alive, there will be no clubbing. If the minor's parents' marital relationship does not subsist, in that case income will be clubbed in the hands of the person in the hands of either of the parent who maintains the minor child. माइनर के पेरेंट्स जिनके हाथ में माइनर की इनकम क्लब हुई है, दे कैन क्लेम अ डिडक्शन, द पर्सन कैन क्लेम अ डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 10 सबसेक्शन 32 up to rupees 1500 per child whose income is clubbed. If the minor is married daughter, the clubbing provisions shall apply as usual. यानी पेरेंट्स के हाथ में क्लब होता रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, in case of HUF, if the person transfers his property to HUF without adequate consideration, then income from the property shall be clubbed in the hands of the transferor. After partition of the HUF, the income, the share of spouse income will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. माइनॉरिटी चाइल्ड जैसे क्लब होती है वैसे होती है. हम लोग पूरा चैप्टर 5 मिनट में रिवाइंड कर लेते हैं.